Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Beautiful car, guys. Clean Georgia car. This is the factory color combination. It's Gypsy red and Shoreline beige. Recent frame-up restoration. Pretty car, man. 55s are my favorite of the Tri-5 Chevys. This car, it's actually got the original drivetrain still in it. They've upgraded it a little bit. Put disc brakes on it. It's got aftermarket heat and AC. A little cam to it, but just a beautiful car. It's got an aftermarket tan interior, stock seating, but it's like it's an ultra leather in there. 18 and 20 inch Coys wheels. But I'll tell you, just a pretty car. I love the 55s. This is it's my favorite year of the Tri-5 Chevys. I love the color combo on this car. You can see it's got new chrome, new stainless, new bumpers. They have done a nice job on this car. Pretty paint. Again, original color combo. '55 two-door hardtop Bel Air. Not an easy car for me to get, guys. Touch-up mark there. Not a whole lot to really pick. I mean, it's a nice car. Sorry guys, little wax in there. Nice and straight down the sides. Sorry, we got a few little sprinkles, guys. We just got a tad bit of rain in the area and kind of can't get it out of here. Again, they've converted it to front disc brakes, got the slotted and drilled rotors. Again, it's the original 265 cubic inch engine. They put a little cam to it. It's got a Holley 4-barrel. You can see they put an Edelbrock polished aluminum intake on it. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, converted it to power front disc brakes. It's the original Power Glide automatic trans. They put it's called Old Air Products heat and AC unit on it. Polished aluminum radiator. I like the thinned aluminum valve covers on the car. Got some aluminum pulleys. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I apologize. The weather's kind of messed us up. And unfortunately, we're leaving for another show tomorrow. But if you see something, if you see it coming soon where there's just one photo or something, pick up the phone, call Leroy. A lot of times Jay's out of town with me, but if you call Leroy, he'll get you more photos of a car. I just like to advertise the cars myself. So, new door handles. I like the tan interior. New carpet, new sill plates. These 55s are just super cool. Of course, it's got the chrome bows, stock steering wheel, little paint coming off there. Factory dash, 70,205. Ed's blown away. He said the actual the factory AM radio still works. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end, so no big gear. Definitely get on the expressway and cruise it. Factory jack with spare. Let's see, the car is nice. It's just a good, solid car. I love that color combo. Very nice underneath, guys. Seats are nice. Just a good looking car. Again, you can kind of nitpick some of this stuff. It's actually available, but he left it in there because it's original. Again, the car's only got 70,000. That's original to the body. Yeah, new door handles. This stainless is nice. Pretty car. They just kick your air on, it blows cold. We bought it down there in Tennessee, it was nice and warm, and we had the windows up with the air on. We gotta check on the fuel gauge, Jay said. I don't know if it's the ground or something. A lot of times this car sits so much, you mess with the ground and usually come on. Sometimes it's a gauge. We know the blower motor works. No wipers, are still a vacuum, so if you want them to work, we recommend that you change them to electric. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a great looking car.